Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create a Gmail account. First, search Gmail on Google. Click the first one that appears. Click the blue button and create an account. For this sample, I use it as a personal email. Input your first name. Your last name in this section is optional. Enter your birthday and gender. Gmail will show you suggestions for your email address, but you can also create your own. The important thing here is that it is a unique email address. Now, create your account password. Retype it again below. Gmail won't accept simple passwords, just like what I did here. So it is important to include numbers or symbols in creating your password. Get your mobile device to scan the QR code. Just wait for Google to load as it verifies your phone number to identify if you are a real person. Wait for the prompt that you can return to your original device. This may take a while, but it will automatically proceed to the next step. You can add a recovery email as a backup or skip it. Read the privacy and terms and click I agree. And there you have it, your very own Gmail where you can write and receive emails. Thank you and see you in the next video.